How to embed Zoom meetings to website. Hi guys, so first things first, we need to open our browser. Once we opened our browser, go to Zoom and log into your Zoom account. Now here, the first thing that we can show that pops up into our Zoom account is the meeting section. So what I'm going to use is my personal group, and I will be copying my invite link in here. All right, once copied, let's go to our website builder. So I have Wix here as my website builder. In the left hand side, we can see a plus button, means add to site. Right, and let's just look for embed code in here. So there are three options in how to embed our code. First option is to embed HTML, which we're gonna do. So let's add this to the site. Okay. So a while ago, I have copied the website address of my Zoom meeting. So we can just simply paste that down here and click on apply, and your Zoom meeting will show up by then. Now there's another option, which is our code. So here I do have my code. Let's simply copy that one and paste it here. Click on update, and basically it will still show your Zoom account. That's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!